Hello and good morning and welcome to G3 Astro. Today we are in Virgo Ascendant and the 7th house Karatattvas of marriage, type of marriage and timing of the event. The parameters are Lagna Lord, 7th house Lord, Venus and Moon in the Rashi chart, Navamsha Lagna and the 7th house from the Navamsha Lagna. Now in this chart, this is a delayed marriage chart and an independently arranged marriage chart, because the Lagnadipati and the 7th house are posted in the 3rd house. There are no planets in the Lagna and no planets in the 7th house. The 7th house is aspected by Jupiter and is conjoined with Sun, Mercury and Venus. The 7th house and the Lagna Lord and Venus are under Papakartri Yoga. That means to say they are hemmed by two malefics by either of the two sides with Saturn and Mars. Moon is aspected by Saturn. Therefore, on the whole, this is an heavy chart with only two positivities in this chart. That is, Jupiter is aspecting the 7th house. Jupiter is also blessing the 9th house. Navamsha Lagna is in the Ashtama. Therefore, the native will have to struggle to get married. The 7th from the Navamsha Lagna, Sun posted in it. Therefore, the native will have ups and downs in the parameters of marriage. Now, as I said, this is an independently arranged marriage because the 7th house Lord and the Lagna Lord is in the 3rd house. There is an exchange between the 3rd Lord and the 7th house Lord Jupiter, but there is no connection to the 5th house. The 5th Lord Saturn only aspects Mars, who happens to be the 3rd Lord. Therefore, there is no love equation in this parameter. There is only an arranged marriage by the native himself. The native had the Moon Dasha from 2008. Therefore, in Moon Dasha, generally the natives will get married. Now, as I said, this will be a delayed marriage. Let us look at the negativities to cause the delay. Moon is aspected by Saturn. There is a 2-year delay. Jupiter and Venus are conjoined. Jupiter, Venus and Mercury are conjoined with Sun. Another 2 years of delay. It is hemmed by Papakartri Yoga. Therefore, another 2 plus 2, 4 years of delay. Therefore, there will be a total of 8 years of delay. Probably because of the aspect of Jupiter on the 7th house and the aspect of Jupiter on the 9th house, we can say we can reduce the 2 years and the native will definitely have a 6-year delay. The Moon Dasha began in 2008, that is 26 years. According to our take, as we have calculated, the native could get married by his 32nd birthday or 33rd birthday. In the Moon Bhukti, practically all the planets have the power to give him marriage. So if you take the 8 years or 6 years of delay into consideration around his 32nd birthday or 33rd birthday, we get the Ketu Antara or the Venus Antara, or rather both Ketu and Venus. Now Ketu has the power to give marriage because the dispositor of Ketu is Jupiter. Jupiter is the 7th Lord. It is conjoined with Lagna Lord and Shukra, the Karaka for marriage. Venus too can give marriage because he is a Karaka for marriage and he is conjoined with the Lagna Lord and the 7th house Lord. So now let us look at the transits to see which would be more closer to the native to get married. As you can see, I have put the transits for March 2015. Jupiter is posted in Cancer is retro, but since he is posted in Cancer, that is good for us. Saturn is posted in Scorpio, thereby both Jupiter and Saturn are blessing the 7th house Lord as well as the Lagna Lord. Therefore, in 2015 March to 2016 March, the native would have got married. The Dasha Bhuktis during that period of time was Moon Dasha. Just a minute, I could give you the Dashas. As you can see in this Dasha, around 2015 August, he got Moon Dasha and Ketu Bhukti. The Moon Dasha, Ketu Bhukti would have been about 7 months. Then he gets Moon Dasha, Venus Bhukti. Both Moon Dasha, Ketu Bhukti and Moon Dasha, Venus Bhukti are positive to give marriage. Therefore, the native would have got married between Moon Dasha, Ketu Bhukti or Moon Dasha, Venus Bhukti. This is a known chart. The native got married between January 2016 to June 2016. I have not written the right date. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe. Have a pleasant day. Bye bye. Gayatri. See you soon.